In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea. If you are trying to fill a plain white background, we already have a separate tutorial specifically on how to fill background color in Photopea, which you can search for on our channel. In this video, we will focus on filling shapes, selections, and empty areas within your image. Let's begin with shapes. From the left-hand toolbar, select the Rectangle Shape tool and draw a shape anywhere on your canvas. Before filling it, you need to choose the color you want to use. At the bottom of the left toolbar, you will see the foreground color box. Click on it to open the color picker, select your desired color, and press OK. Now, locate the Gradient tool on the left toolbar. Right-click on it to reveal additional tools and select the Paint Bucket tool. With the Paint Bucket tool selected, simply click once inside your rectangle shape, and it will instantly fill with the chosen color. Next, let's try filling a selection. From the left toolbar, choose the Ellipse option. Before creating your selection, make sure the feather value at the top of your screen is set to 0 to ensure clean edges. Draw your selection in any area of the canvas. Again, choose your preferred color from the foreground color box and click OK. Then select the Paint Bucket tool and click once inside the selection to fill it. If you want to fill an entire empty area of your image, first make sure nothing is selected. If you previously made a selection, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to deselect everything. Then choose your desired color and, using the Paint Bucket tool, click once on any empty space in your image. The entire connected area will fill with that color. If you notice small unfilled areas remaining, instead of using the Fill feature again, you can switch to the Brush tool, which is located just above the Paint Bucket tool, and manually paint over those small gaps for a cleaner result. Now, if your image is not a simple background and you already have a separate background layer behind it, the Paint Bucket tool may not work directly on the image layer. In that case, go to the Layers panel on the right side, right-click on your image layer, and select Convert to Smart Object. After that, right-click on the same layer again and choose Rasterize. Once the layer is rasterized, you will be able to use the Paint Bucket tool to fill areas within that image layer properly, and this is how you can fill in Photopea.